What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first video on my YouTube channel, Christian's Culinary Class. Today I'll be teaching you how to cook Scotch fillet with the side of potatoes in under 60 minutes. What you'll need today is one Scotch fillet, preferably 2 inches thick with good marbling, some baby spinach, fresh rosemary and thyme, unsalted butter, garlic, potatoes, salt, pepper and olive oil. Alright, let's start off. My favourite for this recipe is red royal potatoes. I have about half a kilo, and make sure you get circular shaped ones as they're easier to clean and cook. Cut your potatoes into ping pong sized balls and make sure they're all even, just to make sure that they cook evenly in the oven. Once cut into ping pong sized pieces, place it in a bowl full of water and massage it just so the excess starch can come off, and you'll finish with that nice crispy exterior and fluffy inside. Ah shit. Once wrapped up, place into a bowl where you will liberally add pepper, salt, rosemary, and thyme. Add oil to your mixture and gently stir to coat. Once thoroughly coated, empty out onto a rimmed baking sheet. Make sure the potatoes don't overlap or else they won't cook properly. Use a spoon or other utensil to spread them out. Okay. Get your potatoes and put them into your 200 degrees Celsius fan forced oven. Cook these for 40 minutes, but turn over 20 minutes. Once the potatoes have cooked for 20 minutes and you flip them over, you should start with the meat. Get your 2-inch thick Scotch fillet and liberally salt with salt and pepper. Heat the butter in the pan and add the aromatics. Let the flavours get to know each other before you add the meat. Once you've let the flavours get to know each other, put the steak in. Make sure to face it away just so you don't get burnt. Set the timer for 2 minutes on your phone and wait. After 2 minutes, flip your steak. Check out the crust on that baby. After another 2 minutes of cooking, flip again and cook to desired texture. After another minute of cooking, take the steak out of the pan and rest it on a plate. This ensures that the moisture stays in the steak as you cut it. After 40 minutes of cooking, turn off the heat on your oven and remove the potatoes. As you can see, these potatoes have a nice crispy golden crust, and I can assure you they'll taste nice. What you want to do is you want to take the potatoes off and remove any excess oil by placing it on a paper towel. There we go, guys. The crispy potatoes mixed with the tender steak will ensure for a delicious meal that'll make anyone happy. Thanks for watching. Join in next episode when I cook something else Like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.